gonna be awesome. Hello my flourishing friends. Welcome to another episode of the How to Make a Nice White Card. This is unfortunately the last one I'm gonna do for you guys. Yeah, 6 videos went by so fast, unbelievable. Yeah, today is gonna be a little funny card. I saw it online and I have to, just have to craft it myself. It's gonna be, it's actually fitting what I lately do a lot in my private life. Cause the card is gonna say, nailed it. And I totally love the show lately on Netflix. If you haven't checked it out, definitely worth looking at if you like baking. And yeah, but of course this is going to be a Christmas card, not related to baking. You're going to see in a bit where I'm going to go with this. I'm going to dive in right away to not waste your time. So what I'm going to do first doesn't make sense to you, but it's going to do in a bit. What I'm going to do, draw a little square here, and then like this. Then I'm just going to do weird lines, make them a bit roundish. Okay, make sure you cannot see where I end. Take a black fine liner. I'm gonna draw around the green square. I'm gonna draw a little line here. And I'm gonna already spell the nailed it in like block letters. There we are. So maybe you can already figure what this is. This is supposed to be one of those lightning Christmas decoration. But we all have know the struggle from detangling them. So for this year Christmas I decided to just pop it on the ground like it is, and that's my Christmas tree. No, I'm just kidding. I love decorating my Christmas tree. Of course this needs little lights now, so I have here acrylic paint. It's yellow and red. I'm just gonna make little dots here and there where the lights would be. And I chose on purpose, I don't know if you can see it, square bristles, so it looks more like those little lights. This acrylic paint is really awesome on glossy paper. It needs a bit to dry, yes, but it looks so cool because it keeps its texture. Okay, to the red. You just hear the weird oinking noise. That was my dog in the background. She's sleeping next to me again. I just quickly decided to also go for blue because I was missing something and I was wondering what, and then I realized, oh yeah, of course, they also have blue lights. By the way, I'm sorry for the lightning today. I struggle a bit that it's so early, so dark outside, and I haven't figured out a perfect lighting yet. So yeah, but I'm working on it, so stay tuned. There we are. Simple as that. I hope you're able to see it. I don't know where your angle is better. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get inspired. I hope you don't get frustrated with any stubborn Christmas decoration. Just keep it as it is and celebrate its untidiness. Yeah, I had so much fun today. I'm excited to do more amazing videos this month. December is really my crafting month, and yeah, see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.